What is the safest place to store your cryptos so that they're not stolen by hackers? Well, of course, if you have a capital to be hacked. Okay, so you've been in crypto for a while and you probably know the answer: hardware crypto wallets. If you're new here on this channel, you should know that we already featured some exciting hardware crypto wallets in our reviews. So be sure to subscribe and check them out if you didn't. But the point is, I think we have already some solid experience with hardware wallets to tell you all you need to know about them. I mean, what they are, what types are in the market, and what we've tried out. That's right, we share our user experience with you guys to decide whether you need to store your crypto in there or maybe not. So get yourself comfy for this exciting overview and let's get it on. Security and cryptocurrencies go hand in hand, and hardware wallets are your very own Fort Knox for cryptocurrencies. So it's like having your very own digital vault. Well, you might be already familiar with software wallets or online wallets like MetaMask, for example, but these are susceptible to malware and phishing attacks. That's where hardware wallets come into play, as they add the extra level of security. So put it simply, a hardware wallet is a physical device designed to securely store your digital crypto assets offline. This way, your private keys, the crucial piece of information used to authorize transactions, they never come into contact with the internet and are safe from hacking attempts. So, sounds pretty neat, right? So, on our channel, we featured some notable hardware wallets in the game: Keystone Wallet, Tangem Wallet, SecuX, and Hito Wallet, each with unique strengths and weaknesses, and we've gathered them all together in one video to compare them and to tell you what we like the best and use the most. Of course, if you need more info about each, we've put some links in the description below about each wallet's review. And now on, let's break them down. First, we have the Keystone Wallet. It is a QR code communication hardware wallet with strong security features, supporting more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies. Keystone also supports multiple chains and seeds, allowing users to add and manage multiple addresses under each asset. The wallet uses animated QR codes for data transmission, ensuring secure transactions and protection against Trojans or viruses. Keystone comes in two models: Keystone Essential and Keystone Pro, with the Pro version offering additional features like a rechargeable battery, fingerprint sensor, and even a self-destruct mechanism. Speaking of upsides, Keystone also uses open source firmware, which is a huge nod to transparency and community auditing. Plus, the wallet can be integrated with the mobile app, enabling quick and secure transactions through QR codes without the need for an internet connection. However, Keystone Wallet is relatively expensive compared to, some other hardware wallets, which may be a drawback for a budget-conscious user. Plus, an SD card is not included, which is another additional cost. And the charging process is also quite inconvenient, as you need to remove the battery to charge the device. But overall, it is an excellent choice for those who prioritize security and confidence. Next, let's talk about Tangem Wallet. And no, it is not a credit card. It is actually a hardware wallet in the form of a physical card, with a secure EAL6 Plus level microchip inside, which is, by the way, used in passports. All this to store your keys offline, eliminating the need for seed phrases. Well, that's right, say no to that long, boring seed phrase. So what are the other pros? Tangem Wallet supports over whopping 6,500 cryptocurrencies from different networks, offering DeFi support. The wallet can connect the DeFi platforms using the Wallet Connect feature, allowing users to buy, sell, exchange, lend, and stake crypto. And yeah, all from your phone, as Tangem has an easy-to-use mobile app for managing tokens and making transactions. It's also quite affordable and comes with 2 or 3 backup cards, allowing you to manage funds even if one card is lost, which is another level of security. Plus, the customer support is pretty quick to help you out. However, the use of multiple cards and the access code's role in security might be, well, confusing for some users. And overall, users who already grew accustomed to traditional hardware wallets, well, they may find Tangem's approach and features different, requiring some adjustments. And yeah, the Transaction Explorer still looks quite inconvenient so far. Besides, the encryption method is not made clear to the public. Rumor has it, the company has a key to generate secret phrases of the wallet, and they can take all your funds if they want to, but maybe that's just rumor. Well, after all, it's up to you to believe it or not. But to sum it up, it is one of the most convenient, compact, and beginner-friendly wallets that we have ever met. All you need to do is just bring it in, put it in your pocket, and make sure not to lose it. Okay, then we have SecureX V20 wallet. The wallet boasts a vault-grade secure element chip to store PIN and private keys securely, providing air-gapped signing of transactions, zero transaction leakage, and enhanced protection against malicious online attacks. Besides, SecuX generates a unique 24-word recovery phrase and even supports an additional 25th-word passphrase. Also, the implementation of a dynamic keypad for PIN entry enhances security. And yeah, it even resets itself after 5 unsuccessful PIN attempts. SecureX V20 also features tamper-proof sealing tape to protect against third-party intervention during delivery. And yeah, despite all that high-class security, it's also quite handy. V20 comes with a large 2.8-inch color touchscreen to verify transaction details and navigate through the portfolio. And not just regular ones, but diverse, as it supports over 1,000 coins and tokens and can manage up to 500 accounts. Nonetheless, it still lacks support for certain popular blockchains like Polygon and privacy coins, Monero for example. I'd also question the wallet's form factor and strange UI UX. And besides, there is this strange need to connect it to a PC or mobile device to update balances, which raises some security concerns. So all this may be drawbacks for some, not to mention its relatively high price tag. Anyways, to sum it up, it is an ideal choice for traders looking for some military-level secure hardware wallets, and yet handful for managing their assets. And finally, let's not forget about our latest addition to the hardware wallets list, Hito Wallet. This compact, beginner-friendly wallet utilizes wireless NFC technology and allows users to view and modify its firmware. Hito Wallet supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, over 600. It features a 2-inch touchscreen with vibrant colors and boasts durable materials, such as tough tempered glass panels and sturdy metal constructions. It's super easy to set it up right off the box, and the UI is super user-friendly. And yeah, Hito Wallet doesn't have any charging ports, but instead features a built-in battery that can be charged wirelessly. However, it's still in beta testing, which might raise some eyebrows, as some may prefer wallets with the longer track record and extensive testing for greater peace of mind, of course. For example, the mobile app leaves much to be desired, as well as the wallet's casing. But the continuous improvements promise a bright future for this wallet, and besides, pre-order customers can start using it immediately. Moreover, quite soon, you'll even be able to show off your NFT collection right there on that screen. Yeah, just remember to buy a wireless charger if you don't have one. So there you have it, folks, 4 excellent hardware crypto wallets for each and every taste. And by the way, which one do you prefer the most and why? Let us know in the comment section below. So smash like, subscribe. Okay. Now I know it's our turn to tell you which hardware wallet we prefer and why. Of course, all of these wallets have their pros and cons, but if you've been following our channel for a while, you'd already know the answer that we often use Tangem in our team. And yeah, there is a reason for that. Firstly, Tangem makes cryptocurrency management easy for everyone, especially beginners, and its cost effectiveness is hard to beat. And yeah, the fact that it provides a physical card that you can carry around like a credit card adds a convenience factor that we love. Yeah, it might be a bit different from traditional wallets, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate its simplicity. But remember, everyone has different needs and preferences, and yeah, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, security should always be your top priority. So be sure to explore each option and find the best ones exactly for you. And that's right, we are here and we're going to help you with that.